Facing issues uploading to Google Drive? You're not alone. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, Google Drive is essential for cloud storage, but upload failures remain a common challenge in 2026. Common upload errors you might encounter include messages like upload failed or unable to upload, where files get stuck in the upload queue without completing. Upload failures typically occur due to technical glitches in Google Drive systems, user errors such as unstable network connections or exceeding storage limits, or platform limitations during periods of high traffic. Google Drive's complex system handles billions of files daily, but occasional issues can disrupt uploads. The goal is to get your files uploaded smoothly and efficiently by understanding and addressing these challenges. Network issues, such as slow upload speeds or unstable connections, are among the most common causes of upload failures in Google Drive. Google's latest update, version 1.24 from January 2026, brought improved error handling for uploads. A key feature is the automatic retry mechanism for interrupted uploads, reducing failures by 30%. AI-driven diagnostics now offer real-time suggestions like check your internet speed or clear browser cache. While major outages are rare, the new upload queue in the desktop app from February 2026 has increased reliability for bulk uploads, exceeding a 95% success rate. Several factors can cause upload failures in Google Drive. Network instability, such as weak Wi-Fi, often interrupts the upload process by dropping connections. Browser problems, like using an outdated version of Chrome, can lead to compatibility issues that prevent files from uploading properly. Reaching your storage limit stops uploads because there's no space to store the files. File corruption occurs when data is damaged during transfer or creation, making it unreadable. Server overload happens during high traffic periods when Google's servers can't handle the volume of requests. To prevent these issues, ensure a stable internet connection with at least 5 MB per upload speed. Always use the latest version of the Google Drive app for optimal performance. Avoid uploading files during peak hours when servers are busiest. As a first step in troubleshooting, check the Google Drive status page at drive.google.com/status to see if there are any ongoing service issues. Let's troubleshoot Google Drive upload failures. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for successful uploads. Next, ensure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can cause upload problems. Also, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove any corrupted data that might interfere with uploads. Try uploading in incognito mode. This disables browser extensions that might conflict with Google Drive uploads, helping to isolate the issue. Finally, verify you haven't exceeded your storage quota. Check your Google Drive storage usage. If you've reached the limit, delete unnecessary files or upgrade your storage plan to allow uploads. For larger files or bulk uploads, the Google Drive desktop app is often more reliable than the web interface. It provides better performance and stability for handling multiple large files at once. Utilize the Upload Queue feature for improved handling of multiple files. This allows you to queue up several files and upload them sequentially without manual intervention. Consider using the high-speed upload mode, if available, for large raw files or videos. This mode optimizes the upload process for speed and efficiency with large media files. The desktop app provides more control over your uploads and often bypasses browser-related issues that can occur with the web interface. Google Drive increasingly uses AI to enhance reliability. As of 2026, many users benefit from AI features for file organization, indirectly improving upload success by predicting and preventing common errors. Hybrid cloud setups integrate with services like Microsoft OneDrive, offering redundancy that reduces failure risks through seamless uploads across platforms. Looking ahead, Google plans to release Drive Quantum with enhanced security and zero downtime guarantees, aiming for a 40% drop in upload failures by 2027 through predictive analytics. Protecting your data requires smart backup strategies. Don't rely solely on one platform like Google Drive. Instead, diversify your storage to prevent total loss if one service fails. Use third-party tools like MultiCloud to automate backups across multiple services. This prevents total reliance on Google Drive and ensures your files are safe even during outages. Enable two-factor authentication to protect against upload hijacks from rising ransomware threats. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring both your password and a second verification method. Regularly back up critical files to an external hard drive or another cloud service. This safeguards against unforeseen issues like data corruption or account breaches.